ScienceLogic is actually one of the earliest alliance partners that we have at Nutanix and was actually one of the first technologies to be validated on not only the Nutanix platform, but on our Acropolis hypervisor as well. So there's big implications in what we can do with Nutanix and ScienceLogic together in terms of not only monitoring, but the whole hybrid cloud and hybrid IT aspect that Nutanix is now getting into. We have features called App Mobility Fabric that allows you to move workloads from on-premise into the cloud. So there's really some interesting things that we can look at with ScienceLogic, where you're monitoring your Nutanix resources, your cloud resources, of course, all in one single pane of glass. It's very interesting to see and talk with customers here who are using ScienceLogic on top of Nutanix. And what we're seeing is that ScienceLogic is delivering a lot of added value in terms of monitoring not only the servers and storage and virtualization layer, which Nutanix provides, but networking, your cloud infrastructure, and all those other elements that go into data center management. We look forward to doing more with ScienceLogic on the API side and giving customers a holistic solution that eases management, reduces costs, and allows them to scale out and adopt the cloud with ease.
As we grow within the service provider community, we're seeing more and more plays for folks who want to get more granular aspects and manageability and reporting, from wringing out every dollar, every cent of their voice over IP environment or their storage or software as a service environment. And we're seeing a lot of that being coupled in together between the Nutanix reporting and our management application and ScienceLogic.
Yeah, I think one thing that I really find unique about Nutanix is if you look at the people that we have on the team, both from an engineering and sales perspective, we both groups have very deep experience within service provider. On the SE side, we've got people that have built out telcos or MSPs, and on the sales side, of course, they have their own business dynamic that's very different many times than a traditional enterprise. And so because we bring that to the table, I think it helps us identify a bit more with our customers, but also allows us to support our regular account executives that need to have that type of experience and who may already have that relationship with some people within the org. So we really help round the relationship out.
And I think what you'll find mostly in the partnership between ScienceLogic and Nutanix is the fact that we're both very flexible. So as Tommy was saying a little bit earlier, with respect to us opening up more API sort of manageability structure and so forth, we're both flexible. We're both aiming and rowing the boat in the same direction to offer more and more manageability, flexibility to our customers to really separate the value that both Nutanix and ScienceLogic bring to the table. And I think that's going to set us apart from the competition.